Hey everyone, want consistent income in your business every month? Then listen up because I have a great tip for you today on how to have what I call a six-pack of parties every month. So I'm Gail Bates, CEO of MyMentorBiz.com and creator of the Direct Sales Planner, which is a customized system for direct sellers to plan their business every month. And I want to share with you today how you can have consistent income every month just holding 6 parties a month, okay? So let me share with you a little bit about how the planner works to do that. When you hold a six-pack, I call it a six-pack, and I trained my team to always wanting to have a six-pack in their business every month. It becomes pretty simple because a six-pack is really doing 1 party a week plus 2 extra, okay? And we'll go into the 2 extra in a minute. But for me, it was setting up I like to do my parties on Saturday afternoons or Thursday evenings. So I would set it up so that I always had a party every week, either on a Saturday afternoon or a Thursday evening. And that really scheduled in for me my 1 party a week. Now my extra parties were every Wednesday. I like to do a showcase where I showcase my product. So I would schedule in Wednesday. In fact, some Wednesdays it would be 2 product showcases a week. Now, another way to do that is having a menu to choose from, and that's right here in the when you're setting up your month in what I call planning your month on the extra planning page. And right here is what I call a menu of events. So if you're doing a 6-pack a month and you're doing 1 party a week plus 2 extra, the 2 extra could be a private appointment that you set up that leads to a booking. It could be an online Facebook party. Many of my clients are doing 1 party a week with their hostesses and 2 Facebook parties a month. And that's how they're fitting in their 6-pack. It could be a catalog party, okay? Handing out catalogs to a bunch of people and one hostess is bringing you in a bunch of orders. It could be doing a fundraiser. I used to do a lot of fashion fundraisers for a lot of women and they love them. It could be a group presentation in front of a group of people, or it could even be an expo or trade event or vendor event. So you have a menu of events to choose from, and you sit down and you plan out your month so that you're actually planning out doing that 6-pack, okay, and having 1 a week plus 2 extra. So here's the magic of what happens when you have a 6-pack of parties every month consistently, okay? And so when I did 6 parties, for me, if I didn't have $1,000 party, there was something wrong with me. So for me, 6 parties a month ensured that my personal volume every month was going to be $6,000. Now, if you're doing $500 parties, 6 parties a month means you're going to have $3,000 in personal volume. And I really work with my clients who want to grow and build strong teams to personally themselves be having $3,000 in personal volume. Lots of things happen in your business when you are focused on that. Now, the other thing is, so with 6 parties, usually at every party there's 8 to 10 people. I don't care if it's an online party, you might have a few more people, but 8 to 10 people at every party means that for the month, you are in front of 48 to 50 people. Okay, so that being in front of that many people every month is truly going to grow your business. So out of those 48 people, and you get into the habit of asking for bookings and you learn that skill, when you work with me, you certainly will learn the skill of how to ask for bookings. You're easily going to be booking into your future calendar, those 6 bookings for next month, okay? Because you're in front of enough people to ask. Now, here's the other magic part of it. The RL stands for recruit leads because I believe at every party there are 3 people that are interested in your business opportunity. Maybe they're not ready to join, but they're leads of people that are interested in maybe joining later. So you have to be a detective and find those people. But when you hold 6 parties, that means there's 18 people who are thinking about your business opportunity that you can follow up with. And that's when the magic happens, because if you follow up with them and you share your business opportunity with 18 people, you are going to surely be recruiting every month. So this is a formula. It is a magic system in holding a 6-pack of parties every month. So I hope you take this data down, because this is what's going to happen to your business if you get into the habit and be consistent in doing what I call a 6-pack of parties every month. So it all evolves around the Direct Sales Planner. And guess what? This month, the Direct Sales Planner is on a special discount. And here is it's called April Plan 20. I'll actually have it down in the notes below with the link. If you're looking for a planner and want to try it out at 20% off this month of April, then I'd highly recommend you take a look at this as well. So I hope this tip has been helpful for you today. Give me a thumbs up below, or even subscribe to my channel. I'm going for 100 people. We're up to 70. I'd love you to do that. So again, think about it. A 6-pack, one a week, plus 2 extra. Could you fit that into your schedule? Because if you do, magic is going to happen. Have a great day.